Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the embedded system micro oven simulation from Emertxe Internship. Before we are discussing about the my Emertxe Internship, that is micro oven simulation. First, we have to in this internship there are so many things we have to learn. What are the topics learned during the internship? There are introduction to C, and what is the introduction, what are the data types and their modifieds and condition statements, loops and operators and arrays, pointers and functions and string. These are the factors to learn in the during that internship. These are all the contents we listed below. That is embedded system. What is embedded system in detail we come to know. Requirements, what are the requirements to the project, and microcontroller used in that, the especially PIC 16F877A, CLCD, interrupts and ISR. What are the project details, more details, and output of the finally we got the simulation of these projects. Before going to this, the basics of this project is that is embedded system. Embedded system is it is a bridge between software and hardware. It is connection between the hardware and software. In other words, in simple words, the embedded system is a performing this. It is easy to design to perform the specific task. This is a requirement to the embedded system is a requirement to the this project, and development strengths are used in that embedded system. What are the requirements to the projects in laptop, that is PC or Pixim simulator, that is the main criteria, and you compile the code using XC8 compiler software, and to run the program in using MPLAB X IDE software. And before going to that, we are come to know that what is microcontroller used, that is PIC 16F877A. What's basically what's it perform? It is a 8-bit microcontroller. It is used in hardware connection. That means hardware connection in the sense the data line and address lines are the different buses. In microcontroller can operate at the and 20 megahertz. The PIC 16F8 offers the various low power modes to conserve the energy, not actively processing the task. It is a very sensitive, and it consumes a low power, and it conserves it mainly selected for the low power consumption. And in this project we mainly focus on the CLCD, that is character liquid crystal display. In this, the Pixim have the two types of display, that is 16:2 display and 16:4 display. This displays can be typically shows the alphanumeric characteristics, and this project is consists of interrupts and IS. The interrupts is a signal to processor emitted by the hardware or software, indicating an event that needs the immediate attention. And it is a interrupt the process is running the process. ISR is stand for interrupt service routine. And ISR software is routine that hardware invokes the response to the interrupt. It is a main. These are the main key in these projects, both interrupts and ISR. Project details. Well, what are the projects is consisting of? Creating the microbiome simulation to like PiximLab can be interesting and educational, and it is understood by everyone. These are the very simple and to run the microwave simulation. This microwave having the four modes, that is micro, grill, convention and start mode. Let us discuss one by one after the slides. That is where first we have to discuss the microwave mode. In this mode, microwave emits a microwave radiation which excites the water molecule in the food and generating mode. We have to set the certain time in that the food is excites a water molecule in that food are generating the heat. It basically generating the heat. In the you go for next one is grill mode. In the grill mode, the microwave activates the heating element on the top of the oven. In that, the grill is heavily heated. Convention mode microwave having a fan and heating element in addition to the microwave. It is last one and final, the start mode. This start mode is used to small heating application as it runs for few seconds. It only runs the few seconds. It used for the small application, small heating purpose application. It can be uses only few seconds. Let us see the output of this project using Pixim Lab.
The first we have to select the exa file, and on that day on powering up. These are the display the four modes, that is micro, grill, convention, start modes. These are all the basic modes of microwave oven. In that we go for first we go for the micro oven. Press enter the key 1 and power is 900 watt. The buzzer is turn on. Sorry. First we have to set the timings 20 seconds, 12 minutes. Press enter the hash button. In the right side the fan start rotating. We can enter the start, that is number 4, increase it by 30 seconds. We enter the 5, number 5, they may buzz, or we can enter the 6, we go back to the previous screen. That is the four modes of the microwave oven. We rejoin regoogle the microwave oven, that is microwave mode. In that we enter the only few seconds, that is 10 seconds. After the completing of the 10 seconds, the microwave oven is time up. That is shown in the above screen. And go back to the, after completing, go back to the previous screen. We can go for another next method, grill method. In that we have to similar way, we have to set the 10 second for that. Wait and enter the key button, and similarly start rotating. After the completing of the given time, it's time up. And the third one, convention mode is something different from the other mode. First we have to pre-emitted the temperature, that is 123 temperature, that is 123 temperature, and as enter the time taken is 180 seconds. After completing we have to set the timings after some interval of time, 9 10 7 6 1. We have to set the timing for that. We can enter the only for 10 seconds. Press similar in that way, fan start working. After the completion, that is time off. In this way the convention mode is run, and finally we go for start mode. In that we have to set the only for only few seconds. After the completion of timing, the micro oven is timer and go back to the previous screen, that is 4 modes. That is time of is shown in the above done, and go back to the previous screen. Thank you for the Emertxe.